Hey folks, welcome to my channel. If you are new here, hit the like button as it will help more people see this video. In this video, I will talk about business ideas that have emerged from the pandemic. I know these are tough times. Unemployment is at all-time high. The economy is crashing and businesses are closing operations. But there's a silver lining to this. So let's start the video without wasting any time. So the first idea is contactless delivery. With all types of businesses finding ways to reach their customers' doorstep, contactless delivery services seems a viable option. Many startups have already started working on the idea, and the response to it is pretty good. Number two is one of my favorites, content creation. There's a bunch of opportunities in this space. With more and more people spending their time online, the industry has enormous potential. Starting a YouTube channel, a podcast, or a vlog, one could take up teaching a skill or entertaining people, music, art, health and fitness, dance. It can be literally anything. Number three is helping people go online. New creators and businesses going online have created a huge demand for editors, marketers, publicists, and other such allied jobs. As a matter of fact, the video you're watching right now was edited by one such professional. You can simply help people go online by providing these services. Number four, cleaning and sanitization. Now, this is a no-brainer. This is an emerging market since all businesses are looking for cleaning solutions. You're just bridging the gap of demand and supply. Number five is e-commerce. Yes, I know that this isn't something new, but in the current situation, it seems even more feasible. People are generally avoiding human contact, which is pushing businesses to go online. An online store was never as attractive as it is today. Number six is software solutions. With increasing online presence and diversified needs, businesses need new kinds of softwares and applications. This certainly is a space to look out for. Number seven, the last one, is education. Now, this space presents the most lucrative opportunities among all that I have talked. Online education can easily be the next big thing as digital learning goes mainstream. This reform in education was long awaited, and it seems we are just ready to go beyond our traditional education system. I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching, and do let me know if you have any other ideas in the comment section below. And yes, don't forget to subscribe the channel for more such content. Thank you.